The next Shabbos, Shabbos Yisro, was again a Farbrengen. And this Farbrengen, the Rebbe is considered also a hemshech to the Hilula. And the Rebbe here said something very, very interesting. A Hira, the Kesher with Yud Shevat. I think this is the only year that the Rebbe said such a Hira. Besides the very first year between Yutas Kislev and Toshin Yud Aleph, between Yutas Kislev and Yud Shevat, the Rebbe also gave the same type of Hira. And that was that every person should find a Yid, be Makar of a Yid, to Torah or to Chassidus, whichever way it is, to Makar of a Yid, once a month. And another thing, to add in Staka, because this is the beginning of Shnas HaLamed Vav, so should add in Staka with a number of 36. So that the Yetzer Hara shouldn't have too much, shouldn't disturb too much. The Rebbe said that Staka can be in small coins. It doesn't have to be big Nesinos, but there should be a Bekesher with a number 36. And this should be done every month. Now, B'chlal, since it's Shabbos, there's no real way of bringing down Lemaisa. Shabbos is only Inyan of Dibur, of speech. Nevertheless, the Rebbe said he wants to be Mekasher with the Inyan of Maisa, and a Maisa of Tzedakah. So what's a Tzedakah which you can do on Shabbos, that everyone should pour L'chaim for someone else. And this way, this will be an Inyan of Maisa. So we won't have only the Inyan of Dibur, which Dibur is also called Maisa. It's a Maisa Zuta, small Maisa. But here it will be Mamash Maisa of Tzedakah V'Poil, that everyone should give L'chaim to someone else. And this way they'll be makabel on themselves to do these two hayrais of being makar of 1 year a month, and the Inyan of Tzedakah adding in a number of 36. After the Maamar came Sicha, which the Maamar is also a hemshech to the Maamar Bosi Legani, talking about the Inyan of Tzimtzum. And after the Maamar, the Rebbe said there's a number of people here, more than 10, who have not yet accepted on themselves the Inyan of doing this Hayrah, and they do not say L'chaim, they do not pour L'chaim for someone else. In my memory, if my memory serves me correctly, I think the Rebbe sounded upset at how come there are some people who did not yet do it, even though the Hanacha has it sort of smoothed out, but it's not so mashma when you read the Sikha. But I think I remember that I was quite upset at people who did not join in saying L'chaim. And the Rebbe asked the volunteers that they should actually continue and say L'chaim, pour L'chaim for someone else, and say L'chaim, and everyone should accept in themselves this inyan of accepting these two hayras.